Well, welcome back to our channel. Do you have an early 90s F-150 and you're trying to figure out how to get the tire off? Well, you're at the right place because I'm going to show you what we learned with removing this tire. It wasn't as easy as I once thought. Do you have yourself a floor jack? We have a floor jack, but for those you don't, under the hood, you'll find a jack as well. So where'd you find it? There you found it. That's for your lug nuts, right? And here's your jack. We're not going to use that, but for those that don't have a floor jack, that is where you'll find it, in the right front corner. So that's what Levi's going to do now. And you might be asking, how do you do that? Well, he's taking the crowbar or the lug nut iron, and you got to turn it counterclockwise. And stick it in the eye of that bolt that sticks down there, and just run that down until you can pop that in that hole up top, that large hole. Okay, it looks like you have it down now because the tire is just kind of moving all over the place. Now what you want to do is take this bar, put it in that hole right there, and lift up. Lift up so that this pull it my way, and now you have to have it turned so it's in line with that groove. Forgot to tell you that part. So pull this out and straighten this up.
But then it's all gonna fall.
Yeah, that's what you want. Okay, now it dropped down. Now guess what? Now you reach in there and undo the bracket that holds the tire in place. Is it tight?
Yeah, I can get it.
Well, that bracket's not coming out any too easy, so we used some WD-40. Sprayed it down there in that hole. Well, you spray some on the bottom too. And spray a little bit on the bottom and let it soak for a few minutes. Well, the plastic bracket on top would not turn no matter what we did. So now we got a great idea to use a adjustable wrench. Jack the tire back up. You can put it back up on the bracket if you want, or just kind of hold it up. And now use adjustable wrench and go clockwise. And I think that'll twist loose. And hopefully that works for us. I'm stripping off the edge. Levi, if all else fails, get the manual, right? What do you see in the manual? Anything special?
Remove the wheel retainer from the center bolt. If necessary, use the tapered end of the wrench. Insert in the retainer for more leverage. Remove the spare tire from the channel assembly.
The manual said to do what? Stick your bar iron,
Tapered end.
or your tapered end. Let me get in here. Oh, I see. Stick it right in that groove there. Go against this. How about that? Look at that. That's about
20 minutes.
That's as easy as it gets. Who designed this? They were a genius. Okay, you almost got it, huh?
Spinning the whole bolt.
It's spinning the bolt.
Yeah.
Did you get a hold of the bolt?
Yeah.
Is it? Now putting that WD-40 on there, I think helped out too, didn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Now that's got to come off the whole way in order to get this tire off the bracket. Now that seemed like it took 10 minutes to get that off. Well, not really that long, but it seemed like it.
Probably about.
Now you all but got that off. Might have to take a rest every couple minutes, right?
Yeah.
You rested? Do we want to get this tire off tonight yet?
I'd like to.
I think you're almost there.
Better be. There we go.
Hey, popped off. Now we can slide it off. Take it up above that bolt.
Guess this is where that swing to the rear.
Here, I'll hold this up. You push that out of the way.
It does say swing degree.
And now you swing out over there and you pull it out, right? And then you just pull it up out of there, out of the way. What a job to get that tire out. Well, how do you put it back together? When you got the tire swapped, if you had a flat, go ahead and do everything in reverse and you'll be right back in business, unless you want to cheat and just lay the spare tire in the bed of the truck. That sounds like an easier one for me. But anyhow, give this video a thumbs up if you saw it helpful and entertaining to you. Make sure you subscribe, because there's going to be tons and tons of videos coming out of everything we've done to this truck, because Levi is excited. Till the next time, have a great day.